Hello and welcome to this episode of Apple MacBook Helper. Today we will be helping you with spaces. So first you gotta go to your system preferences. It could be either on the dock or in the Apple. You just click the Apple and click System Preferences. You go to Expose and Spaces and you're in Spaces. I already have my spaces set up, but I'll show you how to set up yours. So if this is your first time on Spaces, you would check Enable Spaces, and if you want to make it show up here, you could click Show Spaces in the menu bar. So to add spaces, you would click the plus for the rows and the plus for the columns. Let's just stay with 16. So let's say you want I show you always to be in space 1, then it'll always be, or every time you're using I show you, go to space 11. You could do that in that box. If you want to use a keyboard shortcut, you could set one of these keys and then a space. Let's do F6, F5. And then you could set arrow, you could do one of these. Let's do command arrow keys. So you hold F5, command, and then you can go by your things. Let's go back to space 1. So let's keep system preferences open in this space. We'll go to space number.
Welcome to VoiceOver. VoiceOver speaks descriptions of items on the screen
That's
and can
weird.
be used to control the computer using only your keyboard. If you already know how to use VoiceOver, press the V key now. If you want to learn how to use VoiceOver, press the space bar now.
So maybe our space thing isn't good, so we'll go to F6 because apparently that's VoiceOver. VoiceOver is when your computer talks to you out loud. I'll probably have another episode about universal accesses. So that'll be another episode, but you got a little example of it today. So we'll keep system preferences open in this one. We'll go to space number 2. We'll open pages. We'll go to space number 3. Open numbers. But let's say we want to go back to system preferences. You could go to click system preferences. It'll take you back to number 1. Or you could go, if you remember what space it was, you could click that space. And that's all for today. So see you next time on Apple MacBook Helper. Thank you. Also thanks to iShowU HD. Thank you. Have a nice day.